What's up guys? I'll show you how to change the color of the text you send on Discord from your computer. So let's dive in without wasting any time. Now you can change your text in colors like red, light, blue, lime, etc. To change your text color to red, first open up Discord and go to any DM. Then type 3 black text symbols. You will find them above the tab key on your keyboard. Next to them, type diff, then press shift plus enter from your keyboard to get a new line. Now type a hyphen, then type your text. After typing your message, press shift plus enter again to enter a new line. Here, type 3 black text symbols again and send the text. And you will see that your red text will appear in a box. Now, to send light blue texts, all you have to do is type the black text symbols 3 times. After that, type CSS next to it. Then hit shift plus enter to start a new line. In this line, first put a bracket before and after the text. Then press shift plus enter again to enter a new line. Just type the black text symbol 3 times and send your text. And you will find your light blue text in a box. To change the text color to lime or light green, type in the black text symbol 3 times just like before. Next to it, type diff, then press enter and shift keys together, and a new line will appear. Here, first put a plus symbol, then enter your text. Next, hit shift plus enter again. Now, in the new line, type the black text symbol 3 times and send a message. And you will find your lime or light green text sent with a box. Now, don't worry, you can find these codes in the video description below. And that's how you change the text color in Discord. If the video did the trick for you, please hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll reply to you real soon. As always, thanks for watching.